So welcome back. We're going to be doing another sponsored video today. Thank you guys again. We recently hit 1,000 subscribers and we are on our way to still getting monetized with watch hours. Every subscriber actually helps. Everyone that's watching these videos really actually helps. So if you haven't subscribed yet, maybe consider after watching this video, or just do it now too. Either way, it's fine with me. So for today, we're going to be doing a review of the Lytmi screen strip light. This is a sponsored video. The guys over at Lytmi reached out to me. They were interested in working together after seeing my LG video. So they actually sent me this over, and I'm going to unbox it, install it, and then review what I think about it. So stick around. So let's go ahead and get the unboxing going. We have the Lytmi screen strip light. So this actually, I saw a video once they reached out to me. Just watch those god dang telemarketers, I tell you. I watched the video on the product just to see what it was all about and if it's something I'd actually be interested in. I like products that I actually plan on using. I'm not gonna just take something just to take something. It's kind of pointless at that point. So this actually looks really cool. I don't know if you guys are familiar with these lights, but they're similar to the Philips Hue, just at a much more convenient cost. And from what I've seen, there's a lot of good reviews about it. So if you're interested, I'll put the link below and you can go check out this product from Lytmi. So let's get into the unboxing. I have my trusty multi-tool. All right, so first off, what do we have? Always our favorite informational card. So this product actually comes with power cord, a controller, which goes into, I believe, HDMI. I will verify that, and the actual power strip. You can see based on the cover of the informational pamphlet. So we have our Lytmi power strip. This is going to be the controller and 3M tape to tape it on the back. There's different modes for this Lightstrip too, which is pretty cool. We'll be testing that out. And we have brackets to hold the Lightstrip when it's on the back of the monitor, or TV as well. They do offer this for TV products. And of course, we have a nice LED strip. It's pretty hefty. I've actually never really installed LEDs, done anything with lighting before, so this is gonna be a pretty cool installation for me. And we have brackets. These are for the corners, of course. So some basic information for this product. This is for the 31 to 42 inch. My monitor is a 32 or 34, I can't remember. Just watch the video. So this is going to be for a 31 to 42 inch monitor. So it has immersive PC lighting experience. So as you're watching a video, we're all gonna see this as well. The light strip kind of mimics what you're watching on screen, which is pretty cool. It has music sync, as well as there's a software that you can get that lets you change these settings as well. So that's pretty cool. All right. Now that we have unboxed it, let's go ahead and install it. So currently the Lytmi Lightstrip is installed on the back of my LG monitor, as you can see. It has different modes that are pretty cool. I'm just using the controller right now. So that's to turn it off, to turn it on. It has different color presets, which is pretty cool. And these are the modes that I was talking about. So that's pretty cool. I think my favorite one is this one. It imitates fire. But there you go. So overall, good product. Way more cost effective than the Philip Hue. If you're on a budget, or even, I wouldn't even necessarily say a budget, because it's definitely worth checking out just to comparison. So I wanted to also note that the software that Lytmi does offer is not compatible with Mac. There's a movie mode, which is awesome. You guys should definitely check out the Lytmi video. As a matter of fact, I'll post that as well for you guys. There's a movie mode, music mode, different kind of themes, ambient themes. I think my favorite one that I saw on there was Breathe, which is kind of cool. It just uses different lights and it mimics a breathing motion. So if you're interested, again, check it out. I'll put the Amazon product link in the description below if you want to get this or check this out as well. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for subscribing, and I will catch you on the next one.